Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, Justin Timber Revival. Just wanted to show you guys today what a fro is and what it can do. And yeah, stick around.
A froe is basically a 2 foot piece of metal with a 90-degree 2 foot wood handle on it. One of the great uses of the froe is its ability to split wood, especially logs. But to use the froe, you'll first need to develop a crack in the log. To do this, I use wedges, more specifically wood wedges. I hammer them into the top of the log with a mini sledgehammer, and this just makes a crack start. Here you can see the small crack I made. Then I can put the froe into the crack and use the froe to pry the log apart. To do this, to make it easier for me, I use this jig I made out of logs that holds the log in place, allowing me to put all my weight on the froe and split the log. And that is how a froe works.
Well, thanks everyone for watching, and now you know what a fro does and how to do it. Splits wood. But yeah, and I just wanted to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. We're doing well here on the channel, and please consider subscribing yourself if you haven't, and hope you enjoy. Thanks.